and tell Nigerians if you are for the masses or if you are for President Tinubu and APC. We don't want an INEC that belongs to APC. It's an INEC office meant for APC. It's INEC now and APC support group.
INEC a political party.
It's INEC and APC support group.
INEC Tinubu
INEC are you APC support group?
Is INEC working for
INEC chairman, tell us.
Is INEC chairman a partisan?
Don't worry, he will tell us today.
INEC chairman a member of APC political party?
He will tell us today. He will tell us today. He will tell us today.
INEC is supposed to stand by the people and secure our vote and make sure that our vote count. If you want supporting one political party, it's a lie.
You know go happen. We will not allow it. 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 Now we and them today. Island better prepare for us. So now we are Nona today. Now we are Nona today. INEC. Our leaders are already coming out. They are already littered everywhere. See our national leader, Dr. Eunice Atanko, Alhaji Ibrahim, because he's here already. Everybody else is here. Everybody is here. Everybody is here. Everybody is here. Come out, come out, come out, come out. Come out, come out, come out. Thunder fire APC. Thunder fire INEC. Bishop! Thunder fire APC. Thunder fire APC.
What's up?
Thunder fire APC.
Come on, come on! We are here, man.
Ava.
Let us come out.
Ava.
I want to see Abu Pita. He must go. Abu Pita must go.
Don't be lying.
Tinubu must go.
Don't be lying. Don't be lying.
We are ready.
Don't be
we are
lying.
angry.
Don't be lying. Don't be lying.
Nigeria.
To today